Characteristic of culture. There are 13 types characteristic of culture: belief, religion, rituals, myths, dances, performance, music, artworks, sense of taste, education, innovation, identity, ethnicity. I choose education, myths, dancing, music, sense of taste, religion, ritual. What is education? Education is the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, values, and habits through various methods, including teaching, training, and research. It enables individuals to develop their critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills, preparing them for personal and professional growth. Education encompasses formal and non-formal learning experiences, shaping individuals' perspective, attitude, and behaviors. Its ultimate goal is to empower individuals to reach their full potential, contribute to society, and lead fulfilling lives.
No more choices tomorrow. It's all about unit test. Okay, you study.
Magseryoso na lagi ko may seryoso na gyud.
What is a myth? A myth is a traditional story that explains natural events, cultural belief, or the origin of things. Myths often involve gods, goddesses, spirits, magical creatures, or supernatural forces. They are passed down from generation to generation, not always punctual, but always meaningful. Myths help us understand how people in the past made sense of the world. Example, the Baliti tree, home of spirit. The Filipino culture, the Baliti tree is believed to be a dwelling place of spirits or supernatural being, like Encanto, Capri, or White Lady. Many people avoid cutting or disturbing a baliti tree, especially at night, because it's believed to bring bad luck or invite ghostly encounters. Others say you should always say tabi tabi po when passing by one to show respect. Dance is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. It's a way of expressing oneself, telling stories, or celebrating, often to music and sometimes with other forms or accompaniment. There's immense diversity in dance styles across cultures and throughout history, making it difficult to give one singular definition. an art form that combines sounds, rhythms, and melodies to create a unique expression of emotion, ideas, and experience. It can be instrumental or vocal, and it comes in various genres, styles, and forms such as classical, jazz, rock, and pop, and more. Music has the power to evoke emotion, inspire creativity, and bring people together, playing a significant role in cultures, tradition, and personal lives around the world. It can be a source of comfort, a means of self expression, and way to connect with others, whether it's a soothing melody, an energetic beat, or a meaningful lyric. Music has the ability to touch hearts and minds, making it a universal language that transcends boundaries and cultures.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I know you deserve it. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
What is sense of taste? The sense of taste, also known as gustation, is one of the five basic senses. It's the ability to detect the flavor of substances, typically food and drinks, through specialized sensory organs located primarily on the tongue. However, it's important to understand that taste works in conjunction with the sense of smell to create the overall experience we perceive as flavor. A significant portion of what we consider taste is actually smell. What is religion? Religion is a system of belief, practices, and rituals that help people connect with a higher power, the divine, or the sacred. It provides a framework for understanding the world, morality, and one place in existence, offering comfort, guidance, and meaning to individuals and communities. Through various practices like prayer, worship, and rituals, religion shapes life, cultures, and societies, influencing art, literature, and social norms. With diverse tradition and interpretation, religion plays a significant role in human experience, fostering community, identity, and spiritual growth. What is ritual? A ritual is a set of action or practices done in a special way, usually during important events like birth, death, marriage, or religious occasion. Rituals are often respected, symbolic, and meaningful. They show respect, belief, or tradition. Example of rituals is a 40 days ritual after death. Another important Filipino ritual is a 40th day after a person death. Many families hold a special prayer gathering or mass on the 40th day to mark the end of the mourning period. It is a belief that during that 40 days, the soul of the departed is still here in the earthly world. On the 40th day, it is guided to its final resting place. Families often prayers, candles, food, and sometimes even distribute items like food, packs, or candles to guests. It's a way to showing love, honoring the memory, and helping the soul find peace. So, what is culture? Culture is the shared system of belief, values, costumes, behaviors, and artifacts that members of a society use to understand their world and interact with one another. It is a learned through socialization, passed from generation to generation, and shape the individual's think, feel, and act. Culture is shared among members of a group, creating a sense of unity and identity. And that's it. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from our discussion. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Stay safe and keep learning. Bye.